Are you gonna climb up the wall? 1, 2, 3.
So many leaves.
I got 2.
You got 2? You have a nice little collection.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
There's some right here.
Yeah, there are more there?
Look, there's dragon. Going down slow.
Careful, it's gonna be hot.
We haven't done a proper intro yet. It is Sunday, September 24th, and once again, it feels like the middle of July. It's like 84 degrees out.
It is hot.
We're the only kids on the playground right now.
Me. I cool the sun off. I feel the sun. I miss you, son.
Remember a few weeks ago when we went to Santa's Village and it felt like the fall?
I know.
Feels like you could go to the water park
Mommy.
today.
We totally could. We should.
I'm coming, Mommy. I'm coming.
You're coming?
Yeah, I see you. I am going all the way.
We were thinking of going to the beach today too.
Grab the pole.
Teagan, after this, you want to go home and get our swimsuits and go to the beach?
A beach?
Yeah.
Whoa.
And play in the water? Because it is hot. Whoa.
Whoa. Got it.
Whoa, you're quite the adventurer. Okay, change of plans. We are going to the beach.
Oh my
It's
God.
85 degrees
In the shade.
at 12 in the afternoon. So I think we're gonna go home, switch into some swim clothes and get some towels and go to the beach, which is crazy to even think of on September 24th.
I know, this is so strange. So strange.
Whew.
It is so crazy that we are going to the beach to swim with all of these leaves on the ground.
Yeah, it's definitely messes with your brain where it feels like Florida.
I know.
But
It looks like October. Like, I don't know what's going on. You see the beach?
Here he goes. Slow down, buddy. You don't want to trip on the rock.
You can't see him with the leaves on the ground.
We recording?
We're recording.
Hi everyone, it's John.
Teagan.
Oh, let's take
Okay, let's try. It's gonna be you. It's gonna be Daddy and you.
And they and me.
Yep. Okay.
After you and me.
Okay. You want me to say my name too?
Okay.
Okay.
Hi everyone, it's John.
And Ben.
And Teagan.
And what are we gonna play today, Teagan?
Mr. Bucket.
What are we playing?
Mr. Bucket.
Mr. Bucket.
If you lift him up, he doesn't go, but I think when I put him on the ground, he's gonna start shooting. Okay, here we go. Okay, Teagan. Oh, Teagan, there's a blue ball right over there. Oh, another one. Oh, there's one of mine. You gotta scoop it up with your shovel. Oh no, I missed! I missed! Okay. I remember playing by the rules. There's another blue one.
You have a green one over here.
Where?
Over here. Over by the train bucket.
Oh no, I got one. Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah, it was.
Don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe. We post a new video here every single day.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.